Welcome to another edition of Jeremy Teacher Talk. Today I'll be showing you how to make a research project using the program Pixie 2. This research project will be all about animals, or an animal of my liking or your liking. We're going to start out that research project by researching using your basic books, the library, that method. Once you have an idea of your animal, you've done some minor research using books, we are going to use the internet to do some further research. To do so, we're going to go to Start, Internet Explorer. Now for our tabs on Internet Explorer, we already have created kid-friendly research tools, such as KidRex, which is a safe search site, and then we also have a picture place where kids can get pics, which is kid-friendly as well. So for the research, we're going to use KidRex. Here you're going to type in what you want to research. Today we're going to research elephants. Lovely elephants. Okay, when you search it, you do not want to click on the ads by Google. That is how they make their money, so they have to put those up there. You want to scroll down and click on the first one. That's usually the most recommended or most hit site. If you notice, it's a National Geographic. That's a great site to use for research. Click on it. Here the kids can get their facts for the research portion of their writing or their project. There's 12 tabs of research or information. You can also get some video and sounds of the elephants and their animals. Okay, so this is a great website for that stuff. Okay, once you've created your research project with your writing portion, the kids are going to write this in hand by pencil and paper, where they then can edit, proofread, make sure everything is correct before they type. Now that they've got that created, they're going to come back in and they're going to start their project using Pixie. Once they come in, they will again click on Internet Explorer. Instead of using KidRex, which we use for research, now they're going to use the Pix for Learning. It's a free photo site. Okay, so you're going to scroll down here and find animals. They're going to find animals that they are doing their research project on. We are doing it on elephants, so I'm going to click Elephant. Here you get lots of pictures, so you have 8 pages so far. So you could click, the kids get lots of options. I'm just going to pick one to make it quick and easy, kind of, and I'll go with this one. Okay. You could click on it, so you're going to get some information about the elephant. Okay, pretty good picture. It's going to give you a little bit of information about the photograph. If you needed to know who took it for, plagiarism or something like that, or where it's located, or if it's a real picture, that's the kind of information you would need to look for. Here you need to right-click. This is the options you get when you right-click on the picture. You're going to select Copy. Now you've gotten your picture. It's floating out there in the World Wide Web. Let's begin our project in Pixie. You can either minimize it or you can close the Internet Explorer. I'm going to choose to minimize it in case I need it in the future. I close. Now it's time to open Pixie. Double-click on Pixie. Let this load up. Okay, Pixie opens up as a new template, a new project every time. Okay, this is where you're going to click on the sheet. You're going to right-click. You get one option, so the students don't have anything to choose from, so that's good. You're going to click Paste. Okay, voila, you have your picture. You get your picture. It's small. We have to adjust the size. By doing so, you can click on the green portions of the picture. If you click inside the picture and hold your mouse down, you can move it anywhere on your piece of paper. But if you drag and hold the green, you get to select different sizes. Okay, once you get your picture adjusted to where you want it in a size, you're set. Now it's time to implement your research paper. You have it typed up. We are going to go to the left-hand side, click on the capital T. That's for a text object. Click on it. Okay, the same type of box comes up with the green arrows. You're going to move it by clicking and holding the button to where you'd like it, and then adjust the size for your research. Okay, if you need to adjust font size, you can do so by dragging the bar. If you need to change the font itself, you can do so. And there's lots of things you can change here, but we'll just keep it simple. Okay, once you're ready to type, double click inside your box. Okay, you are ready to begin. I'm just going to write something quick here. The elephant is big. He has a trunk. He has a small tail. Whoops. And this program does not have spell check in it. So hopefully the kids have done their research and have done their project and spelled it and edited it correctly. 3,000 pounds and is 6 feet tall. Period. Okay, now there's my research. Okay, you can adjust this box now if you'd like, or you can leave it tall. You will not see it. Okay. Alright, next part. After you've typed, now it is time for the audio, the recording of the voice. Okay, to do so, this is a very important part. Right now the computer thinks you are typing, so you must click off. Do not click on the picture, because now it wants to change the picture. You must click in the blank white portion of the paper so it will do something new. You do so, you get down here, you get a sound recorder. Okay, for this portion of the project, you're going to click record. Once you click it, it's going to immediately start recording, and that button will turn green. Okay, I will do so now. If it doesn't come up, because I'm recording my screen, I won't know if it will record over a recording. So to do so, you must click on this. Let's give it a try. The elephant is big. He has a trunk. He is small. He has a small tail. He weighs 3,000 pounds and is 6 feet tall. When you're done recording, you hit the green button and it cleans it up. Now the audio is embedded in that picture. You are complete. It's done. Your story is done. Okay, before you do anything though, the kids must save. This is very, very important. Otherwise you lose this whole project. And I know there would be some upset people. Okay, so now we're going to go up to the left toolbar. We're going to click Save. It's going to bring up some options. Okay, this is where you're going to save, and we're going to save it as the student's name. So I'm going to save it as Jeremy Teacher Talk, and we're going to click Save. And that's going to save it to the My Documents location. Okay, now we are ready to do the share. Not all grade levels will be doing the share portion by the students. Second graders, first and second graders will be completing the shared portion with the students. To do so, you click up on the right hand side, the share, click share. Now here is where you get the option to show it as a presentation, make a video, or embed it into a website. Okay, you get the option of creating different timing, some transitions, some background sound where you could implement some kind of music or any other type. For us to create it, you have to have more than one page. Okay, there will be more to come with this. So that is how we are making our research project using Pixie 2 and the World Wide Web. If you have any questions, please contact me. Thank you and enjoy.